Hi guys, today we are going to make one EMI calculator where we can find out the monthly installment for our home. Let's start it. Um, let's start from annual interest rate, and let's start from annual interest rate and present value, present value, and what we call number of months, and estimated monthly installment. Yeah, let's note it. Is suppose it's 8%, 8% per annum. Yeah, present value is suppose 4,50,000 dollar, and number of month is 10 year or 15 year. Okay, 15 year. Let's convert it into month, and let's convert it into 8% divided by 12. Let's make, yeah, let's use PMT formula. This is our monthly installment rate. This is our number of month, and this is the present value of our home, which we have to pay. That's why it is in minus. Yeah, yeah, that's it. So we have to pay monthly $4,300 for 4,50,000 house. Yeah, let's make it in good format, like calculator format. Yeah. So this is our home. Now we can make it calculator. So I make it in this format, and whatever format you like, you can do in that format. I just make it normally. Yeah, you can make a more good design. Yeah, you can make more interesting and more attractive design of this. So this is the way you can find out the monthly installment of any home or any vehicle or any